Hello friend, welcome back. So finally I have created the hero section with the interactive table with drawers options. So you said me we need to upgrade our hero section. I don't know what why you're using the theme broken theme. I will prefer you need to use the new edit theme I have added from the theme store. So here is the section of the hero. You can see we have a beautiful hover effect of the drawers of the table, you know and these elements are fully clickable to let us go to other pages. So here is the desktop view, and that will be the tablet, that will be the mobile view. So you can see. So here is the mobile view. It's also working, but right now I have added this section with two themes. One will be, let me reload the page. So actually I have added the code inside the custom liquid, and also I have created the another section file. You can see in here. That's it. And also I have created another theme. So basically I was thinking that your current theme is not well. Okay, but here's your live theme, and here is the drawer navigation overlay. That is the duplicate of the live theme, and I have integrated our new hero section with the banner and the table drawer options uh, in that theme. And also I have added a entirely new theme, and you can also use I also added the section in that new theme, and I'm going to show you of what options you will see in the customizer. So you can see we have, okay, so yeah, here you just have to attach the images, and you have to remove it, and you have to select the tag image. Yeah, so you can see I'm going to customize it to look great on our website. So uh, I have some customization options, and also I have created a block like for adding the drawer options. Like here you can see we will have options to add the 7 drawer options. You can see in here, and it's continuously going to add. So, and in each block you will see the option to customize the name and the drawer link, and also you have to set the hover effect image. Actually here is the hover effect, you will see. Okay, You just have to explore it and you will know how to use it. So thank you for your patience and your time, and also for extending the delivery. I hope you will love it.